This is an introduction to the Store Remote portal. The Store Remote portal allows you to access live data directly from your store. To get started, click on the menu for your store and select Store Remote Portal. Here you can enable this feature. This gray icon indicates the EOI connector has not been connected to the store in HQ. Please ensure you are running an EOI connector at your store. For this store, you can see that the color is green and the EOI is online. Below we have the portal alias. This is a string that is created when you enable the portal. It is a unique identifier for your store. You could change this to something that is more representative of yourself, or you can keep it as is. Below we have a QR code that you can use to scan and log into the store portal. You can also log in as an employee with POS credentials or log in as an HQ user. Moving on to the configuration, we will start off with the views. The views act like pages that store your widgets. Currently, I have 5 views for this store. I can add more views. I can also delete an existing view. To change the name, you can simply click here and type what you would like for the description of that view. The next tab for widgets displays all the widgets that we have for the store portal. On the left-hand side, it shows the available widgets, and on the right-hand side, it shows the widgets that are already in the view. I can select this drop-down to change which view I'd like to configure. So as you can see, the available widgets list has gotten longer for this view, as not many are in this view for this configuration. I can drag a widget over to the right-hand side to put it in this view. I can also drag it above and below other widgets to order the widgets how I would like. We will come back to the configure option. Let's save this and log in as an HQ user. Here you can see the store portal has been loaded and we can see the widgets in this view. The first widget displays an overview. This is the store name, the status of the store, open date, the time, and the currency code. We can see the different widget types, some in graph form, some in table. Some widgets allow you to change the view. If I see this icon on the top right, I can click it and it will show me this data in a graph view. Moving on to this menu at the top left, you can see the views that you have created for the store portal. So if I click on a different view, the widgets have changed and are showing for view 3. Below our views, we have the store list. These stores are under the organization that you have, and they have enabled store portal. You will be able to see the store list if you have access to these stores as well. At the bottom right of this menu, we have a button that allows you to toggle between dark and light mode. On the top right of the store portal, we have a refresh button if you'd like to refresh the data for your widgets. We also have the date picker. Here you can see an easy list of the last 7 dates for your store portal, or you can pick a custom date through our date picker. Now let's go back to the configuration. Here for our configure tab, we have currently 3 widgets that you can configure. More are being added. Under miscellaneous, we have the ability to change the message in our message widget. Now, if I save this message and go back to the store portal, we should see that this widget has been updated. Here you can see the message widget has been updated. Moreover, you will notice that these two widgets are exactly the same. They have the same columns, but you have the ability to filter the columns as you like them to be displayed. You can do this by choosing the filter button in the top right of the widget. Here, for each column, you can change the value. This configuration will be saved for as long as this session is available. If you'd like to permanently see these values, we would change that in the Configuration tab. So going back to our Configure, under Open Closed Widgets 1, we can change the values here. So now if I log in, you will see that they are set to the values that I have determined from the Configuration tab. This has been the demo for the store portal. Thank you for watching.